Good morning, students. Now check the worksheet answer here. The last class time 12, 3, 6, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Okay. Already told big hand shows the seconds and the small hand shows the hour. Okay. The small hand shows the hour. Small hand shows hour and big hand shows minutes. Okay, so time is 3:40. The time is 3:40. Okay. This is 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay. So 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. Okay. The same 60 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. The 60 minutes, 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour. Okay. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 60. The another one big hand, one small big hand shows the seconds. The 60 seconds, 1 minute. 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. Okay. So 24 hours. 24 hours equal to 1 day. 24 hours equal to 1 day. Okay. Now come to the point. First one, fill in the blanks. Railway uses dash hours time. Already the last class are two types of time. On standard time, another one is railway time. Standard time and railway time. The standard time 12 hours, railway time 24 hours clock. Okay, so railway uses 24 hours time. 24 hours time. Next, there are dash digits in a railway time. Okay, how many digits? 4 digits. We got 12 o'clock. Okay, 4 digits. There are 4 digits in a railway time. Okay, 20 hours 15 minutes. Okay, hour is equal to, this is railway time. 20 hours 15 minutes is railway time. So you convert the normal standard time. Less than 12. So subtract 20 is 15. Subtract 12 and get the standard time. 15. Okay, 15 minus 0, 15. 20 minus 1, 8. So the answer is 8 o'clock 15 minutes. 8 o'clock 15 minutes. Next, Ramya eats her lunch at 1. Which time means PM. 1 PM. Okay. Next, the second problem, match the following. First one, 4:50 AM. Where is the 4:50 AM? 4:50 hours. This is first one. 4:50 AM, 4:50 hours. Next, 3:25 PM. 3:25 PM. This is standard time. You convert the railway time plus 12. 3:25 plus 12. The answer is 15:25. What is the 15:25? 15:25. Next, 12 midnight. 12 midnight. Already told 12 midnight. 24 hours are 000. Okay. So 12 midnight. 0 hours. Third one. Next, midnight 2 hours. 2 AM. Midnight 2 hours. 2 AM. The morning midnight. Midnight 12 o'clock to afternoon 12 o'clock all of AM. Okay, so 12 midnight. Sorry, midnight 2 hours, to AM. Next, railway time 24 hours clock. Railway time 24 hours clock. Okay, see once again railway uses 24 hours time. There are 4 digits in a railway time. 20 hours 15 minutes hours is equal to 8 hours 15 minutes. Ramya eats her lunch at 1 p.m. Next match 4:50 a.m. 4:50 hours. 3:25 p.m. 15:25 hours. 12 midnight 0:00 hours. Midnight 2 hours 2 a.m. Railway time 24 hours clock. Okay. The next. The next third Roman, answer the following. First one, write AM or PM. Okay. Already I told night 12 o'clock, midnight 12 o'clock, to afternoon 12 o'clock, 11:49. Sorry, 11:59. Always AM. 12 o'clock to the midnight 12 o'clock, 11:59 PM. Okay. The morning always morning. Always AM, and afternoon, evening, always PM. So first 9:30 night, evening. Okay, afternoon, evening, night, PM. So PM. Next 3:10 evening also PM. Next 4:20 morning AM. 12:15 night PM. Okay. The next, draw hands to show the time. Given the wall clock only. Okay. You draw the 11:15 time. Where is the 11? The small hand shows the hours and the big hand shows the minutes. Long hours, so the 11. Draw the small hand. And the 15, where is 15? 5, 10, 15. So draw the big hands. 11, 15. Next, 9 o'clock. Where is the 9? 9 is the horse. So draw the small hand and 0:00. This is 60 minutes or 0:00 minutes. So big hands. So this is 9 o'clock. Okay. Morning fully AM, afternoon, evening, night fully PM. So 9:30 night PM, evening PM, night PM, morning only AM. Then draw hands to show the time. 11:15. Each one 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay. Next 9 o'clock. The small hand show the 9 hours. And the 16 minutes are 0:00 minutes. Okay. The worksheet is over. Next is the exercise 5.1. Third Roman. Already in last class are the 2 Romans. So now addition. See. Addition. The first one. 4 hours 30 minutes plus 2 hours 50 minutes. The second one, 4 hours 50 minutes plus 2 hours 30 minutes. The time is not normal addition. Okay, so see carefully. Hours, minutes. 4, 30, 2, 50. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 3 or 3 plus 5, 8. The wall clock only have the 60 minutes. 60 minutes. Okay. Cannot above the 60. So the 80 below 60. So minus 60. 80 minus 60, how much? 20. 50 plus 30, 80. You subtract 60. 80 minus 60, 20. So you write only 20. Where is the 60? The 60 minutes. For example, 4 to 68, 75. 8 plus 5, 13. 3 remaining 1. Okay, the same method. 80 is the answer is 80. You subtract 80 minus 60, remaining 20. The 20 only here. Where is the 60? The 60 minutes equal to how many hours? Give the borrow. Okay. The remaining 1. So the 60 minutes equal to how many hours? 1 hour. Okay. So now what? 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. The answer is 7 hours 20 minutes. 7 hours 20 minutes. Okay. Understood? 30 plus 50, 80. The wall clock have only 60 minutes. So 80 minus 60, 20. You only write the 20. The 60 added to hours. 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. So 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7 hours 20 minutes. Okay. The next step. The same hours, minutes, 4, 5, 0, 2, 3, 0. The same 50 plus 30, 80. The 80 minus 60, 20, only 20. Where is the 60? The 60 minutes added to hours, 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. The answer is 7 hours, 20 minutes. 7 hours, 20 minutes. Okay. The next step. Third sum. Hours, minutes, 3 hours, 45 minutes, 1 hour, 35 minutes. Okay. Now say the answer. 5 plus 45 plus 35, how much? 5 plus 5, 10, 0, remaining 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. Okay. 45 plus 35, 5 plus 5, 0, remaining 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. The same, 80 minus 60, 20. So write only 20. Where is the 60? 60 minutes added to 1 hour. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 hours, 20 minutes. 5 hours, 20 minutes. Okay. Next, fourth sum. The next, fourth sum. Hours, minutes, and fifth sum. Hours, minutes. 1 hour, 50 minutes. 3 hours, 45 minutes. 2 hours, 25 minutes. 4 hours, 15 minutes. 50 plus 45, 95. Okay, 50 plus 45, 95. We subtract 16. 5 minus 0, 5. 9 minus 6, 3. So you write only 35. The 60 added to 1 hours. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. The answer is 5 hours, 35 minutes. 5 hours, 35 minutes. Okay. Next. 25 plus 50, 75. 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 5, 7. 75. So 75 minus 60. The answer is 15. 15 minutes. The 60 added to 1 hour. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. So answer is 7 hours, 25 minutes. 7 hours, 7 hours, 15 minutes. Okay. The addition is over. Next, subtraction. 5 hours 10 minutes minus 2 hours 35 minutes. Okay, write the hours, minutes, 5, 10, 2, 35. Okay, 10 minus 35 is not possible. So, what I do? 10 minus 5 is not possible. So, borrow the hours. Okay, here 4 hours. Give the 1 hours. 1 hours is how many minutes? 60 minutes. Okay, give the only 1. But 1 hours equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes plus add 10. Plus add 10. Okay, give the 1 borrow. So, here 4 hours. Give the 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Add plus this 10. Okay, 6 plus 60 plus 10, 70. So, 70 minus 35. 70 minus 35, how much? Here 6. Borrow 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 6 minus 3, 3. So, the answer is 35. The answer is 35. Here 4 minus 2, 2. 2 hours, 35 minutes. 2 hours, 35 minutes. Okay. The next sum. Hours, minutes, 4, 20, 2, 40. Third sum. The same. Hours, minutes, 4, 25, 1, 20. Okay, 20 minus 40 is also not possible. So, borrow 1 hours. Here 3 hours. Give the 1 hours. Already told 1 hours equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. 60 plus this 20 order. How much? 60 plus 20? 80. Now, 80 minus 40. 80 minus 40. 80 minus 40 how much? 40. So, 40 minutes. Here 3 minus 2, 1. So, answer is 1 hours 40 minutes. Answer is 1 hours 40 minutes. Next, 25 minus 20 is possible. So, 25 minus 5, 5 minutes. Here 4 minus 1, 3 hours. So, answer is 3 hours 5 minutes. The next sum. Fourth sum and fifth sum. Hours and minutes. 6, 55 to 20. Hours, minutes. 5, 45, 3, 55. Okay. 50 minus is 20. 55 minus is 20 is possible. So, 5 minus 0, 5. 5 minus 2, 3. So, 35 minutes. 6 minus 2, how much? 4. So, answer is 4 hours, 35 minutes. 4 hours, 35 minutes. Okay. The next 45 minus 55 is not possible. So, borrow 1. Here 4 hours, 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 60 plus add this 45. How much? 105. 60 plus 45. 5. 6 plus 10. Sorry, 6 plus 4. 10. 105. 105 minus 55. 5 minus 5. 0. 10 minus 5, 5. So, the answer is 50 minutes. Answer is 50 minutes. Okay, here 4 hours minus 3, 1 hours. Okay, so answer is 1 hours 50 minutes. Okay, the subtraction is also over. Next page number 80. Next page number 80 ma. Ye answer the following. Okay, see the first sum because the question is too big, so I read. Okay, and office works from morning 10 o'clock to afternoon 6 o'clock. Okay, the office starting time 10 o'clock. And in clock to afternoon 6 o'clock and ending time 6 o'clock. Okay, so what is the working hours of the office in a day? The answer. First, the office work closing time. Closing time. Already starting time office 10 o'clock. Ending time 6 o'clock. Now, the evening 6 o'clock you change the railway time. Okay, 6 o'clock change the railway time. Railway time you change the railway time. What do? Plus 12. So 12 plus 6 how much? 18. So the ending time 18. 18 hours 0 minutes. Okay. Next. The office starting time. Office works starting time 10 o'clock. So the minutes are 0. So put 0. 18 minus 10 how much? 18 minus 10 8. So the working hours 8 hours 0 minutes. Working hours 8 hours 0 minutes. Okay. The next second question. Next, the second question, take the page number 80. A school works from 9 a.m. to 4:10 p.m. Okay, 9 a.m. to 4:10 p.m. What is the working hours of the school? The second question answer. The school ending time or school closing time? School closing time 4:10 p.m. Okay, so convert the railway time plus 12. So 16:10. Okay, you standard time convert to railway time plus 12. So this 4:10 is a standard time. You convert the railway time. So plus 12. 12 plus 4 16. 10 plus 0 10. So the answer is the school closing time 16 hours. How many minutes? 10 minutes. Next step. School opening starting time 9 o'clock. School starting time 9 o'clock. 10 minus 0, 10. Okay, 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 0, 1. Next, 16 hours minus 9. How much? 16 minus 9, 7. So, the working hours, fourth sum, a bank works from morning 9:30 to evening 4:30. What's the working time? Okay, working hours of the bank. The bank closing time. Bank closing time and the starting time. Bank closing time and starting time. Closing time 4:30 p.m. So this is standard time. You calculate the convert the railway time. So plus 12. 30, 12 plus 4, 16. So the closing time 60 hours 30 minutes. Next step, the bank starting time 9:30. 9 hours 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minus 30, 0, 0. 16 minus 9, how much? 7. 16 minus 9, 7. So the working hours, 7 hours only. Working hours, 7 hours. Okay. See once again the fourth sum. A bank works from morning 9:30. Starting time 9:30 and evening 4:30 is given the standard time. You convert the railway time 16:30. So the working hours of the bank, 7 hours. Okay, the next sum, fifth sum. A man comes to his village from abroad. He travels 2 hours 15 minutes in aeroplane. How many hours and how many minutes? 2 hours 15 minutes. Next, 4 hours 40 minutes in car. 4 hours 40 minutes in car. So what is the total time of travel? So now add 40 plus 15, 5 plus 0, 5, 4 plus 1, 5, 2 plus 4, 6. The total traveling time, 6 hours 55 minutes. 6 hours 55 minutes. Okay, a man comes to his village from abroad to aeroplane. In aeroplane 2 hours 15 minutes and a car 4 hours 40 minutes and total traveling time 6 hours 55 minutes. Okay, the next sixth question. A painter paints a house. A painter paints a house for 3 hours 15 minutes in the morning and 2 hours 15 minutes in the evening. What is the total time of work? Okay, so the morning painting time. Morning painting time 3 hours 15 minutes and evening painting times 2 hours 15 minutes. So total time, total working time or total time. Okay, 5 plus 0, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. Already I told the wall clock have only 60 minutes. Okay, so 65 minus 60. 65 minus 65. So only get 5 minutes. Where is the 60? The 60 minutes are added to 1 hour. So 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 2 6. So 6 hours 15 minutes. Okay, 6 hours 15 minutes in the working hours. Okay, thank you children. See you in the next class.